Hello, friends, and welcome back to Science with Mr. Co. In this episode, I want to look really closely at one of these leaves. When I say really closely, I mean under a microscope. You see, each one of the leaves you can see here has microscopic breathing holes on it. It's through these holes that carbon dioxide goes to help with photosynthesis. And also through these holes comes oxygen after photosynthesis is done. You see, in photosynthesis, leaves can transform sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into sugar, which the plant uses to grow and reproduce, and oxygen. So what I'm hoping to see in my microscope are the little breathing holes through which that oxygen comes to help make our atmosphere breathable for us. I'm going to collect one leaf right now during the daytime. Let's say this one. And then I'm going to come out here again at night and collect another of this same kind of leaf. During the daytime, I expect the breathing holes of this plant will be open because it's doing photosynthesis, and so it needs to absorb carbon dioxide and get rid of oxygen. But at nighttime, I'm thinking they might look different. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back where we were before. I know it looks bright out here, but that's just because we've got these big bright street lights lighting up the scene. I wonder if these leaves know that that's not sunlight. I guess the microscope will tell us. We're going to collect another leaf, bring it inside, see what the stomas say. Bye! To prepare this leaf for the microscope, I need to take a very, very thin section of it. To get that job done, I'm going to use some clear nail polish. Thanks, Mrs. Co. So, I'm going to use a tiny, tiny, tiny amount of this nail polish and just brush it onto a small area of this leaf. And now, all I have to do is wait for it to dry. Once that nail polish dries, I'm going to use a piece of tape to peel off the nail polish, and that nail polish will bring with it a very thin layer of the leaf. Time to play a waiting game. Let's wait for the nail polish to dry. Alright friends, here we are with our two leaves. This leaf was collected during the daytime. This leaf was collected during the nighttime. Now I've done the exact same thing to both of them. I put a small patch of nail polish on each leaf and allowed it to dry. What I'm going to do now is use tape to peel off that layer of dried up nail polish, and in so doing also peel off a very thin layer of these leaves. Watch how I do it. It's going to be very easy. Put the clear tape right over where the nail polish dried. And now all I have to do is gently peel that tape off. That tape carried with it some of the leaf. So, next, take my glass slide, attach the tape to it, like so, and label it properly. This was the daytime leaf, so that's how I'm going to label it. Now I will always remember which slide I'm looking at, the daytime leaf slide or the nighttime leaf slide. I'm going to do the same thing to this nighttime leaf, and then I'll get back with you. Here is the leaf we collected during the daytime.
Do you see all those little circles? Those are its breathing holes, called stomata. Since this leaf was collected during the daytime, we can see that those stomata are open. To me, they kind of look like open mouths. Now, here is the leaf that we collected at night. We can see its stomata there. Do you notice a difference? I know I do. They still have the same general shape, but these stomata are closed. How do you think I can tell they're closed? What big differences do you see? How about a side-by-side view? The difference is pretty clear, isn't it? Now this begs the question, why do you think a plant would want to close its stomata at nighttime? What benefit could that give it? I'd love to hear your thoughts. You know what to do. Reach out to me via email or on the Padlet, and I will look forward to hearing from you. See you next time.